Hey Glam Fam, welcome back to my channel. I think I actually might voice this over, I don't know, but I have two Boxycharms here and I'm gonna unbox them ratchet style sitting on my bed because I look like a scarecrow today. So yeah, let's get into it. This one, my mom was like, this box was banged up. So I'm at my parents' house and they don't know what they're doing. But they delivered it on a Sunday, so yeah, let's see what's in here. Let me get my knife, hold on. Okay, got my knife. So I usually am like sitting in my studio doing this, but I mean, honestly, we're not doing it today. So should we open the little one or the big one? Let's go with the big one, so then I can close it and put the little one on top. Hold on, let's see here. Gonna open this live unboxing. I'm using a knife. Oh god, this is hard to do. Ratchet style. This is like ratchet style, guys. Loves it. Okay. Oh, there's my Wawas in the background. All right, the theme is really. They surprised me. Dang it. Okay. I mean, they messed up my surprise. Okay, so this is the Boxycharm Premium. And I think I'm going to do a giveaway in this video because I have so much makeup. So, okay, first things first. Ooh, this looks like it's separating. Should we put the flash on? I don't know. But yeah, it looks like it's separating. Okay, so this is Laura Geller Pretty Kisses Liquid Lip Color. Way too pale for me. So, is this matte? I don't know. Cool. It's separating a little bit, but that's okay. MAC lashes. Funny. People weren't putting lashes in boxes until we did. But these are cute. These look very wispy, so I'll for sure use them. This is Tinted Face Oil, which I don't know what that's all about. Tone 7. Okay. Let's open this. Oh gosh. Am I able to do it with one hand? Sorry about my nails, guys. I've been so stressed and I like bite my nails. I know it's disgusting, but I do that when I'm really stressed, and it is what it is because I'm moving and I'm dealing with other stuff. So, okay, stay tuned. I'm gonna open this. BRB. Okay, so this is open. Some of it's leaking out. You can see. Looks like it might be my skin tone. I have no clue. It looks like it's... I never heard of no tinted oil. Tinted face oil. So is that like supposed to be like foundation? Let's read this. It says, oh, upside down. Makeup meets skincare. Radiance boosting botanicals absorb. Allow skin perfecting pigment to even and illuminate complexions. Shake well and gently blend 2 to 4 drops into skin. So makeup meets skincare. Okay. It was a little banged up. That's all right. I'm not gonna complain. BRB, guys. Okay, guys. So I didn't shake it at first. So the bottom part is it not shaking up, and the top part is it shaking up. So wait, let me put the flash on. So this part, the top part is with it shaking up, and the bottom part is with it not shaking up. So I mean, it looks a little light for me, but I'm gonna rub it in. So I rubbed it in. I mean, it kind of matches, honestly. It's pretty decent. It's not covering my veins or anything, but I think it's supposed to be just like a BB cream, only an oil version of it. I don't know. But it's kind of cool. It kind of matches, honestly. Yeah. And it's like winter time, so maybe this could be like a primer oil or something. So that's cool. I'll keep this. It's winter, so I'll get a little more pale. So, yeah, interesting. All right, let's see what else we got. We got a palette, which is sealed. Should I open this? I don't know. I have a million palettes. And then we got also this exfoliating wipes. I actually love exfoliating because I have dry skin. So these are for dull, blah, blah, blah. Oh, for a full/dull explanation of each ingredient, visit care.com. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, these only last 6 months. Okay. All right. Cool. Exfoliating pads. Nice. Swipies. Foolproof exfoliating pads. I actually love exfoliators, so I'm not mad at it. And hydrating toner. Okay. Anyone who knows me knows I live and die for facial sprays. So, like, I have, when I move, I'm going to show you guys my beauty room, and I have so many facial sprays. I love it. And this is a toner, so that's awesome. All right, cool. So let's open this palette. Oh, let me see the lashes. Is there a style on the lashes? Lashes are, I don't know the style. Whatever, they're cute. I love a whiskey. Funny, no one was putting lashes in until we did. So I'm gonna open this palette, check it out. Illuminati. They did reach out to us about being in Glam Box. So we'll see. Let's see how we like it. We can probably get some samples from them and see. But I was seeing a lot of their stuff in other boxes, and it's like, I don't like to do stuff that's in other boxes because, you know, we like to be original. So, okay. Designed by Isabel Bedoya. Cool. Let's see. This might go in a giveaway. We'll see, because I have 1,000,001 palettes. Yeah, this could probably go in a giveaway. But it's cool. I love the black shadow. Here, it has a mirror, guys. So, yeah, I mean, it's cool. Glitter. You know, glitter's our theme, so that's nice. Okay. Okay, so we got the, is this the premium or the regular box? This is the premium? Oh, wow. I mean, I don't know. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. So we got the palette, the toner, the exfoliator. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Lashes and a glitter. Sounds a lot like a Glitz Glam box, but I'm not judging. Okay, let me get the regular Boxycharm. And I was actually literally just at my sister's house, and I was like, I need to open your box too. And she was like, yeah, do it. And I'm like, I should have, damn it. Okay, this one. Oh, let me look at the card on this one. Laura Geller. Okay, liquid color. So is that, but is this matte or is this gloss? No more air kisses. Pure print stays true and soft, satiny color that stays put. I think it's a matte. I think it's matte if it stays put. $48 for the palette. They're funny. Okay, hydrating toner. Nice. Tinted face oil. $42. Yo, they're funny. I mean, hey, don't hate the. Is a 5 brush. My sister's came in like a clear cell seal. That's cool. I mean, you do get a 10-piece brush set in Glitz Glam Box. But this is cute. Okay, and then you get, what is this? Dose of Color Meet Your Hue Concealer. Full coverage. How are they going to know medium tan? Oh, okay, medium tan. I'm like, how are they going to know what shade to send? I mean, but I don't mind. Like, if I get a pale-ass concealer, I just use it to carve out my brows. So, oh, this is decent. I mean, way too light for me, but it can be like, you know, highlighting or, like I said, carve out my brows. Should I swatch this? Okay, hold on. Okay, so that's the shade on me. So it's very brightening for me. So it's very, in real life, it looks a little more pink than it does here. So, okay. This is, I love this brand, Tinted Cupcake Lip Butter. It smells delicious. This color, I will not wear. I should probably give this to one of my sisters or in the giveaway. Yeah, but I love the brand. So next, Ace Beauty lip liner. Nice box. Draw It lip liner. Okay, let's see the shade. Hold on. Okay, guys, I stand corrected. It's 2 lip liners. So I'll definitely use the brown one. The red one, probably not, only because I don't wear red like that, like too often. And then here's the palette, which, I mean, you can't go wrong with a palette. Hold on. Okay, very cute. Colors are, let me take this off, hold on. Very cool toned, which I live for. Yawning, yes. We love a peach color. And the shimmers, decent. All right, very cute. Lovely, lovely, lovely. See, I always say the base box, honestly, to me is always better than the premium and the luxe box. Like, I have my luxe box from last month that I got actually a couple of days ago. And honestly, like, it's like, first off, it was mad late. And second of all, like, it was not all that. The base box was better. I'm like, how are you giving out Huda in the base box and you're giving me, well, whatever. I'm not going to complain. I think it was worth the money? Yes, definitely. Oh, there was another brush that I dropped. Do I think it was worth the money? Yeah, definitely. You're paying literally a fraction of the price. So yeah, tell me what you guys think down below for the giveaway. Just leave a comment with what your favorite item was. And then, yeah, enter to win the prize. And you have to be subscribed to my channel. You have to like the video, be subscribed to my channel, and leave a comment down below with what was your favorite item. I think my favorite item, honestly, either maybe the oil, the tinted oil, because now that it's like sitting, it kind of, the only thing is I have dry skin, so this will go okay on my face, but like if you had oily skin, yeah, I don't know that this will work on you. And I just wish it was like one shade darker. But yeah, I'm gonna actually try this out and see, because it's kind of, the more I look at it, like you can see my vein a little bit in my hand, but it's kind of honestly covering it a little bit. So maybe under foundation you should wear this. I don't know. But yeah, guys, leave a comment down below with what was your favorite item, and subscribe to my channel, like this video, you'll be entered in the giveaway. Yeah, and I will post the winner in my next Boxycharm unboxing. And this was the premium and regular box. Thanks for watching. Bye.